Right, mbukeli we-SABC Lehae. Kanti ke isikolo sokudanisa uhlobo lwe-hip hop eSouth Africa Mario Gomes Dance Academy ibuye nendebe ke yegolide ubuqu. Oku ke kuza emva kokuba behlokomise ababukeli kukhuphiswano iDance World Cup ibibanjwe ke pha kwelaseSpain. Ezintshatsheli ke mbukeli zamkelwe ngogcobo nevuyo pha kwisikhululo kaloku somoya i-OR Tambo International Airport. Apho ke okona kuchukumisayo ke ngesisikolo kukuba babuye neembasa ezingamashumi amathathu, igolide ezilishumi elinesithathu, isilivere ezilishumi elinesibini nezinhlanu zobhedu. Sithetha apha mbukeli ngebronze. Ukusincokela banzi ke mbukeli ngezindaba zimnandi kangaka sinaye kaloku umqeqeshi uMario Gomes. Sibe naye kaloku noLisha Hlongwe ongumdanisi weliqela. Masinibulise sinamkele SABC Lehae. Congratulations on this big movement.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Wow, and Mario, I feel like that South Africa, has been winning all these seasons, and I like the fact that you are keeping momentum, because recently we were just celebrating the Proteas. Now it's this dance group. I mean, how does it feel that, you guys are putting South Africa on the map?
I always say this was an indescribable feeling because, as South Africans, we always arrive at places thinking we're not good enough or we're not worthy. Yeah. And for the first time after getting our first gold, we thought, okay, we are the capital of dance. It's time for the world to look at us. So it was just validation that we needed, that we are doing the right thing.
Yeah, validation that you guys needed, that you are absolutely doing the right thing, and you did the right thing. I mean, when you won, when they announced that South Africa is the winner, what was going through your mind, Lisha?
For me, I think it was unbelievable because it was, for me, we didn't think that we were going to come winning. We thought we were going to come just at least placing at least top 10, at least, I'd say. And when the kids came in first, it was so shocking for us. Beskala, literally, we were literally crying. And then after that, just more goals were coming in. And then we started to realize that, no, we're actually that good. And then we started working on it. We saw the goal, and then we just capitalized, and then we just,
because, when Mario, having to compete on a global stage is no child's play. Yes. There's obviously the preparation process that you guys had to do. Can you just take us through, the preparation process? Obviously you had, to apply a lot of tactics to the team to ensure that they represent South Africa.
And I'm so glad you asked that question, because I think a lot of people, when they hear dance group, they just think we arrive and we just start hitting a few moves. This started already last year. This was almost like a 2-year plan. We basically have to audition kids in Gauteng, find the best that will represent your studio. Then before we can even go to the World Champs, you have to qualify in your South African region. So we first have to qualify, become the top 3 acts or crews in your region, and then from there headed to the World Champs. And then just even that, you only have 3 months to prepare. So it's from Monday to Sunday, 5 hours a day, fitness training, conditioning training, choreography training, formations training. So a lot of people don't know that in just a dance act, as you know, when you take the stage, that's it. There's no second cut. There's no, can we rerun this? That's it. So even just training the dancers to understand that when they take the stage, that is it.
So you snooze, you lose.
You snooze, you lose. Yeah.
Lisha, kuphe ekhaya.
Sorry?
Kuphe ekhaya.
Kuphe ekhaya KwaZulu Natal.
Yo, cabanga nje KwaZulu Natal nje mesisho ukuthi kumele unibe nama preparations eninawo, like inenza ama choreography, and nge understand ukuthi njengamanje usesikolweni, and ngapha kunomsebenzi wesikolo, ngapha kumele ungena ama training, utravel emhlabeni. Ngiyafuna nje uqonda ukuthi ujuglishe kanjani between your school work, ngapha kumele ube fully present, because most stage uyasho ukuthi akuna cut. Wenze kanjani lonto? Ndiyafuna nomuntu kwaZulu Natal athi yo, that's my homeboy, akuve.
Okay, so angifuna uqamba manga bekunzima ukubalansisa ukudansa nokusebenza. For me, I prefer ukudansa, obviously. But obviously abazali bami yabo ukusebenza phela, it's compulsory. And I think ukuthi it was very difficult working, especially ngoba besibhala ama exam yabo. So here ama exam la nokudance and it's World Cup, so like it was really pressurizing. So ama exam lama results lawa ay ngiyawasaba naki nje ngiyawasaba. And I think ekugcineni I think it was worth it. We all pushed. On my side, 40, ama exam, I think I did well, and and World Cup as well. So I think ukubalansisa, it wasn't as hard as I thought. Bekunzima, yes, but ekugcineni we pushed, we made it through. Yeah.
Wow, and nilava namhlanje, nathi si SABC Lehae sithi unju. And Mario, for those who don't know, how competitive street dance is. I mean, over 60 countries were actually competing, on the stage. And I want to know, Indokbana, I mean, how did you ensure that you include the Mzantsi flavor in your dance?
So that's exactly what my goal was, because I thought we're not going to beat them at their game. We have to come there with something African. And as you know, amapiano and just our music is taking over the world. And I think the world is even looking at South Africa more for dance inspiration. And that was our ticket. We came there showing them how it's supposed to be done. And I think that was what gave us our golden ticket, is taking the true South African flavor, true amapiano, Afro styles, and gave it to them. And that's where the crowd got the loudest, actually. Yes.
And the community yakho yaKwaZulu-Natal bayasho ukuthi ngenene nangenyaniso ngumzekelo omhle kuba kaloku lento yinto umuntu azayiphupha kuphela wena ulifezile elophupho. I mean, le victory yakho nokuphumelela lo wakho ingakumbi kubantu abatsha ufuna uyisebenzisa njani uqinisekisa nomuntu onje into kubana nawe noba yintoni na oyifunayo eliphupha lakho nawe lingafezeka?
For me na music in general ngiyayithanda, so like ukudansa for me it was a really big gate for me to enter, and I'm really glad ukuthi ngingenile. And I'm grateful for Mario because I came in as a child really with big hopes and dreams, and he made those hopes and dreams a reality. And sakubonga nje no uNkulunkulu yabo abazali bami, they really supported me. They supported my dreams because usually abazali yabo bafuna into strong, strong basically. So I think for me, I'm just thankful that my parents were just there for me and supported my decisions. 40, I just want to continue arts in general. So like, ngoba ngiyakwazi ukucula, ngiyadansa, so just arts in general. I just want to like push that and then see where that takes me. Yeah.
And I mean, it's just so beautiful to hear, the words coming from Lisha, grateful for your support, grateful, for all the moments that you have shared together. That has really shaped not only him, but the entire dancers at large. I mean, where do you see the world of dance, especially when you're looking at the future and also just incorporating technology? Because, I went through TikTok. I mean, social media is buzzing and you're like, wow, another momentum as South Africa?
Yeah, I think that's a great thing. Sometimes technology could be a curse, but at the same time, it's really blessed us, especially for our industry. A lot of people didn't even know that we existed. A lot of people didn't even know that there's this dance crew in Gauteng, literally. And I'm grateful for that, because now the world has seen us. They don't have to fly to South Africa to see us. They can see it by the palm of their hands. And I think from this now, the world is our plate. We're literally going to take the world by storm. Just ride this wave, keep consistent, keep working hard. And more kids like Lisha, I hope they can see now that if you take your passion seriously, you can literally conquer anything, and don't give up.
And this is all teamwork, because it's not only you and Alisha. Because Tina, most of the time asibakho Tina sinibona senise stage. Ndifuna nje wabelene nathi nge-moments enibanazo qonda ukuthi hey if Tina singaqoba mhlambe singahleka, just behind the scenes moments, kwi-journey yenu niye eSpain nibuya, cela usabelene ngazo zonke.
Yo, angifuna uqamba manga, the energy of South Africa was there. Like we were like literally a spice of Spain, literally. A vibe, like everything was just magical. Like literally, ebusuku, I foot ebusuku. I say mean foot like ebusuku foot. Besusis dancer, emgwaqeni, abantu bathatha ama photos, bathatha ama video nje. It was crazy. This whole vibe nje, I think we brought in and we literally made an entrance. So behind the scenes, it was really fun. So at Palen, I thought, hey, so was serious about World Cup, no smiles, no jokes. So it was really fun. It's a moment I'll never forget.
Oh man.
Yeah, man, it was magical. Yeah.
Quite profound. And I mean, This is only the beginning to many more. Xa Phansi, what does the future look like? I mean, you're also going to be participating globally. You're not only locally now, you are, you know, award-winning globally. What's the future looking like?
So from here is to attend more international competitions, to even now push that South Africa gets awareness of us, so try and work with companies here in South Africa, try and get sponsorships as well. But as you know, our goal now is to not stop here. We want every world champs to get gold medals now.
Amazing. And when how important, you know, into yokubana nisebenzisane njengeqela njengokutsho ngaphambili into yokubana yonke lento niyenza nikunye funeke nibambisane kungahlekwa kungathanthwani uba ngaba mhlawumbe ubona omnye ongugqa wakho ingathi ubuyela ngasemva uyakwazi ukumkhuza uthi hey masithi kubaleka kangakanani into yokubana yonke into yenu nihlanganisele nathi xa sibukele sivuye njengokuba usithi into yokubana i-energy yaseSpain ibingapha kokuqonda.
So I think it was really important ukuthi sihlangane sibe together, very together ngoba it would show on stage definitely. So it was really important because it's crews, not just solo. So crews, we had to especially live together so that we can bond. And then I think that really created more chemistry between us. And I think that's very important when it comes to dancing, especially on stage, because now we love each other. We know what we're doing. We know what we want. We know what we want. We have the same objectives and goals.
Yeah, and I mean, with what you're saying, Maria, you know, I'm realizing that dance, it's not just moving your body, but you are telling stories for future generations. I mean, is there any space for any aspiring dancer? Maybe, you know, could be inspired. I mean, looking yourself there, I'm like, yeah.
There's always space. You should come try out and come and join us.
And I mean, what message, you know, would you like to rely, especially, you know, for upcoming dancers, you know, especially coming from, you know, backgrounds that seem to be a dim world for them to shine, from the rural of KZN, rural of the Eastern Cape. I mean, what message of inspiration would you like to rely on them?
I think now more than ever, the dancers out there and any kid watching this, don't let your situation prove that that's what your life is going to be. If anything, you could be on a world stage like Lisha one day, you could be getting a gold medal one day. So don't give up on your dreams, don't give up on your hopes. Anything is possible, and if we are proof to it, take it. Don't give up, stay consistent, work hard, and don't allow your environment or your situation distinguish what your life is going to be like. That is not the end. There's a bigger world out there.
And with a dance coach like Maria, the world is your oyster. Possibilities are endless. And I mean, you really are living proof that possibilities are endless. Njengokubethelele amagama kwintsha yaKwaZulu-Natal, kwintsha yoMzantsi Afrika, abathi nam ndinephupha lokuba ngenye imini ndingamela uMzantsi Afrika kodwa andazi into yokubana ndiqale phi. Namhlanje ububungqina balonto uthini kubo namhlanje?
I think for those little kids, it's the dream is there. If you just work your way to it, it's gonna happen, definitely. I think nowadays, futhi ingane, they are stuck on the fact that they wanna impress, I don't know, their parents or whatever, or live up to what their parents want to. But I feel like kids have big dreams, especially. So I think it's important that they keep those big dreams so that when they grow up, because it's very much possible to attain those, accomplish those dreams, sorry. And those little ones, they must just carry on just having fun, because I feel like that's where it came from. I was just having fun, and then Ukdance just came up to me, and then here I am today.
Here you are living proof ukuthi lento le iyenzeka. I mean, to many more. Siyabulela kakhulu. Thank you so much, Maria, you know, for being a backbone to ensuring the success of these young kids. I mean, we have a lot of issues, you know, as affect our young people, the drug, substance abuse. But I mean, seeing these young ones, you know, on global stages, also for them, it's motivation. You know what? I can do anything if I put my mind on it. Thank you so much for joining us. We wish you the very best, you know, in the near future. Please, whatever winnings you have, come back to this table. Hopefully, you know, nizos dancela manibuya, right?
No problem.
Akhona dance yobuso.
Dance yobuso.
Ewe. Ongasenzela yona. I know asina space nje into eyobuso. Central, we know with these TikTok challenges.
Yeah, le Kilimanjaro.
Yes.
Nine foot. Le. Yes. It's it. Like you just move your shoulder like this.
Okay.
And then like you make that disgusting face. Just
attitude.
Yeah, attitude. Yeah, exactly.
Yes. And then enye?
Crump. You know, just angry, like I can't explain, like, just, I don't know, like, it comes with, the dance just comes with the emotion itself. So like, as you dance, it's gonna just happen, you know.
Okay, so can you just do zonke nje zoyi-3 esosikhombise zona?
Okay, so yabo yokuqala bayayazi vele Kilimanjaro le. Bayayazi bona. And then i-cramp, anger, emotion, yabo, just raw, you know, raw emotion.
Yabona le tafile ingathi ngiyayisuza because ngiyakubona ukuthi smoke raw emotion.
Yeah, I just wanna stand up and dance. What else? Kodwa abanye straight face R&B or R&B like sexy, you know, with the eyes and intimate, yes. Quite the looks.
Not you being the backup. Wow, no. Right, masiya evenkileni uzonifundisa zonke sizoma. Thank you so much for joining us. We wish you the very best. Bekumnandi kakhulu. Right, mbukeli we SABC Lehae besincokola nabo kaloku iMario Gomes Hip Hop Dance Academy. Uyaqonda ukhumbula kaloku into yokubana babeke uMzantsi Afrika kwinqwanqwa eliphezulu nakubeni ke mbukeli baphumelele imbasa, isilivere, ibronze bazizisa apha ekhaya. Kwaye ke SABC Lehae sithi wuntshu kubo ngokumbukeli masiqhwithi bhatala amatyala ungagungqi ubukele iSABC Lehae.